Ladies, come have sex with Charlie Murphy.
As I awake, 85 degrees, slight breeze. Who is she? Race unknown and face unknown. This mighty Aphrodite revealed the night prior. I had set her on fire. She was forced to retire, yet she liked to regain my acquaintance when the clock strikes 2. This I can do. Now what was I to do? It was said she would return with a troop of dandelions. I ain't lying. Love equal a greater beauty. It's our job to aid a cutie. She would truly tend to our every fantasy. There are no plan B's when contraband is handy. They would join us poolside, greet us with kisses from France, sip potion and play, remain intoxicated all day.
Hey, take some time to unwind. Leave all your cares behind. Hey, life is so nice. Hey, take some time to enjoy the night. Lost in this paradise. Hey, life is so nice. I'm gonna call everybody I know and do it my way. My way. If you don't like it, hit the highway. Highway. Life is so nice, so nice, so nice. When we're lost in this paradise. You got troubles, better lay 'em on the radio. And away we go up high. Life is so nice, so nice, so nice. Lost in this paradise. Oh, 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 why paradise? Oh, oh, why paradise? Oh, oh, why paradise? Oh, why, baby? Hey, take some time to unwind. Leave all your cares behind. Hey, life is so nice. Hey, take some time to enjoy the night. Lost in this paradise. Hey, life is so nice.
Just waking up off an all-night bender. Bad little bro, but I still gotta send her on her merry way. It's a whole new day. She had a good time and it's all okay. 16 missed calls, what the fuck? Basic on the other line, nigga, get up. You ready for an all-day freak fest blowout party and bullshit? The only thing I know about what a nigga need: cocaine, weed, Xanax, Percocets, codeine, speed. Dope man, yes, I got a war chest full of weird shit that'll get him undressed. Let me get fresh, I'm always on stage. Give me a minute and I'm on my way. Call them my all-star first string bunnies. We about to have a party and we fucking off money. So get dipped in honey and call your freak friends. We young and we single and it's the weekend. And can I sneak in some blunt speaking? Wear some little that I can peek in. And we gon' party like we famous. All our balls out young and shameless. I don't know you so I won't judge you. And I just met you, but can I touch you?
Hey, take some time to unwind. Leave all your cares behind.